Clock keeps crawling on the wall, teachers talking nice and slow. Every pair of restless eyes is watching minutes come and go. Books are closed before the bell, backpacks ready by the door. Everybody's counting down, just a few seconds more. When that school bell rings, hear the whole town sing. Boys are laughing, girls are shouting, like birds with brand new wings. No more desks, no more rules, no more teachers telling us things. Freedom starts this afternoon when that school bell rings. The hallway turns into a river, running fast from wall to wall. High fives flying everywhere, echoes bouncing through the hall. Some are singing, some are dancing, some just racing to the sun. Every face is full of joy, 'cause the school day's done. When that school bell rings, hear the whole town sing. Boys are laughing, girls are shouting, like birds with brand new wings. No more homework for a while, no more pencils, books and things. Life begins outside those doors when that school bell rings. Bicycles rolling down the street, sneakers pounding on the ground. Ice cream trucks and summer dreams, everywhere's a happy sound. Tomorrow morning they'll come back, that's just how the story goes. But this afternoon belongs to them, everybody knows. The sun is smiling overhead, not a single cloud in sight. Friends are calling one another, planning every hour till night. One more day to laugh and play, one more memory to bring. Every heart beats twice as fast when that school bell rings. Let them laugh, let them run, let them fill the streets with song. Childhood only lasts so long, so let that freedom carry on. Hear those happy voices rise like a sweet old blues refrain. Everybody feels alive when that school bell